Hello friends, good evening. Today I am going to discuss the topic areas related to circles. Let us discuss about some basic points about the areas and its related to circle. That is, this is a circle. The main center point is of the circle is O and it can be represented as O. Now this part is called the circumference of the circle, and the distance from center point to the circumference of the circle is called radius of the circle or radii. Now let us know about some important formulas related to circle. Number one is area of the circle. Area of the circle is what? Pi r square. And the next is circumference of the circle, which is 2 pi r. Now the question is, radii of two circles are 19 cm and 9 cm respectively. Find the radius of circle which has a circumference equal to the sum of circumference of two circles. Now we will draw the three circles, that is first circle, second circle and third circle. In first circle we have a center point O1, in second circle we have a center point O2, and in the third circle we have a center point O3. The question says that the radius of the circle which has a circumference equal to the sum of the circumference of two circles. Now small r1 is the radius of the first circle, small r2 is the radius of the second circle, which is 9 cm, and of the first circle is 19 cm. Now what we have to find? We have to find the radius of the third circle which is equal to the circumference of the two circles. Now first we will note down what is given in the question. We have given the radius of first circle which is 19 cm, and next the radius of the second circle which is 9 cm. Now what we have to find? We have to find the radius of the circle, that is the third circle, which has a circumference which is equals to the sum of the circumference of the two circles. Now we assume that the capital R be the radius of the third circle. Now according to the question, the radius of the first circle is 19 cm. So then we will find what? Circumference, because we need the circumference of both the circles. So circumference of the first circle will be 2 pi into r1. So we will put the value of r1, that is 19 cm. Now we get circumference of first circle will be 38 pi centimeter. Now the radius of the circle is of the second circle is 9 cm. Again we will find circumference of the second circle, which will be 2 pi into small r2, and then we will put the value of small r2, that is 9 cm. The circumference of the second circle will be 18 pi centimeter. Now the question says that the sum of the circumference of the two circles will be equal to the circumference of the first circle and the second circle. Sum. So we will find the sum. Now we will assume the radius of the third circle will be r. So circumference of the third circle will be क्या हो जाएगा? 2 pi into capital R. Now according to the question, the circumference of the two circle will be what? Circumference of the third circle. So what will be circumference of two circle is 56 pi in centimeter, and circumference of the third circle will be 2 pi into r. So we will find the capital R by cancelling out pi to pi, then by 56 to 2 we will get 28 centimeter. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 5 is 4 get 1, 2 8s are 16. Capital R will be 28 centimeter. Now we will get The radius of the third circle, capital R, will be 28 centimeter. Thank you.